Today I'm going to talk about Rust language, and I'm going to answer a few questions about the origin of Rust language and why it was built. So first question is who built it? So Rust was built by developers at Mozilla. And why it was built? It was built because Mozilla was developing a browser, Mozilla Firefox, as we all know, and it was having memory safety issues. So because it was written in C and C++, which you know that these both unmanaged languages have memory safety issues. So Mozilla wanted a language which is as fast as C and C++, but also do not have memory errors of C and C++. So, so the developers at Mozilla built this language. Who were the developers who built it? So the developers were a team of people who were good at C, C++, and JavaScript. So they basically combined both unmanaged and managed classes and kept the speed of the language same as the unmanaged languages and safety just like of managed languages. And where can we use Rust? So because just like I said, the Rust is fast and memory safe, we can use this language on server sides or developing databases or anywhere where you want speed and safety. So you can use Rust language there. Details about Rust compiler. So Rust compiler is hard to be friends with mm, because Rust is fast and memory safe. So most of its bugs and errors are checked during compile time. So once the program compiles, it's memory safe. But so that's why the compiler has a lot to do. It has to avoid all kinds of memory mistakes. So that's why Rust compiler is very strict to be friends with, because it throws a lot of errors that we have to get used to with time. And just like I said, runtime and compiler. Okay. So the next is, yeah, why Rust? Why should a developer choose Rust? Because if you are coding or developing in C and C++ for a long time, then you might be able to know why Rust is so good, because it guarantees memory safety. That means it has everything that C and C++ had. It has their speed, and also it does not have what C and C++ were bad at. That is memory safety and data races. And so that's why you would appreciate Rust. It avoids data races in concurrency cases, in multi-threading cases, and basically it has a feeling when the syntax of Rust looks like a high-level languages with garbage collector, and its execution is like low-level languages which has no garbage collector. So it's a mixture of two worlds of managed and unmanaged language. Yeah, so that's why you should use Rust.